In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Snapchat from saving photos to your camera roll. This is the same on both Android and iPhone. So first, you need to open Snapchat. Now, once you've got Snapchat open, you need to go to your profile icon in the top left-hand corner, and that will take you to your account here. Now, we want to go to settings, so head to settings in the top right-hand corner. Now, once you're in settings, scroll down a little bit and you'll see memories. So click on memories, this one here, and then you'll see here smart backup. You'll also see save button. So if you go to save button, by default, your snaps will be saved to memories and camera roll. If you just want them to be saved to memories, click on that one and it will stop them backing up from the camera roll. You've also got auto save my story snaps. And if you click on that, you can click here, don't auto save. With those settings though, you should be all good to go and you can just go back and they all should be updated.